In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infinitely rotating logo on Squarespace. This is a simple effect that can add a modern animated touch to your website. And the best part is that you can do it directly inside Squarespace using custom CSS. If you already have your logo in place and just want to make it rotate continuously, this process is quick and easy to follow. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This is where you'll access the main areas related to your site's structure and design settings. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. Even though we're working on a visual effect rather than editing page content directly, this area is part of the path to the code settings we need. From there, look for Custom Code and click into it. This is where Squarespace allows you to add extra styling or functionality that goes beyond the standard built-in design controls. It's especially useful when you want to create small visual customizations like animations. Next, click on Custom CSS. This is the section where you can add CSS code to change the appearance and behavior of elements on your site. In this case, we'll be using it to make the logo rotate infinitely. CSS is ideal for this because it can create smooth, lightweight animations without requiring extra plugins or complicated setup. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. Make sure the code is inserted cleanly without extra spaces or missing characters so the animation works properly. Once the code is in place, Squarespace should begin applying the effect to the targeted logo element. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or preview your site in another tab. Sometimes visual updates take a second to appear, especially if your browser has cached an older version of the page. It can also help to confirm that the code is targeting the correct logo element on your site. After that, your logo should rotate continuously, creating the infinitely rotating effect you're aiming for. This kind of animation works best when it feels smooth and intentional. So if your code includes speed settings, keep the motion subtle enough that it enhances the design rather than distracting from it. And that's it. By going to Website, then Pages, then Custom Code, then Custom CSS, and pasting in the code, you can create a clean, rotating logo effect on your Squarespace website in just a few clicks.